Hi, Paul here with FlagShooter. Today we'd like to talk about some maintenance, lube, and cleaning of the FlagShooter. One thing that we have found that if you're experiencing hard trigger pulls, it may be because it needs a little bit of lubrication. First of all, we want to use a dry lube. Spray lubricant right in the trigger area. And then the other two areas you want to do is there's a hole in the back of the FlagShooter. And then the last place is actually if you take and just go right along the actuator and just spray in that area. You want these flags to move nice and freely in here. If they're not, there's probably either some dirt or gravel or even sticks and weeds that get down to what we call the shear bar. The best way to clean that out is to actually take a flag, take the tip of the flag and scrape in the bottom of this shear bar. Two different ways to wash is just with a hose outside, or you can actually put it under a sink and actually wash it under there too. And all we want to do is just take compressed air and spray it down. You can spray it in other areas too. You'd be surprised how much dust accumulates throughout all the areas. Mostly want to blow that lower section out with compressed air. We do not recommend putting any even dry lube in the areas of where this piece of plastic, which we call the driver, is stroking down. These little tips and tricks are great ways to maintain and keep your FlagShooter running at optimum performance.